Articles. In English, there are three articles: a, an, and the. Articles are used before nouns or noun equivalents and are a type of adjective. Article a is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal, or thing, which are not specific. An is used in front of singular countable nouns, which are not specific. We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, or uncountable to describe someone or something specific or unique. For example, a book, a frog, a car, a lemon, a truck, an apple, an egg, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. The sun, the moon, the internet.